Today's recipe is an easy gingerbread spice macaron filling that's very flavorful and packed with holiday spices. It's stable at room temperature, making it a great choice for gift giving or travel. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box below. First, chop up the chocolate into slivers. This allows it to melt easily. Transfer it to a heat-proof bowl. Pour the spices into a small saucepan filled with the cream. Stir to combine and heat up the cream on medium heat. Once it comes to a light simmer, take it off the heat. Do not let it boil. Immediately, pour the hot cream onto the chocolate and let it sit for 1 minute before stirring. Next, stir the cream and chocolate mixture until it becomes homogeneous. Add the butter and keep stirring until it becomes a smooth and shiny mixture. Now taste the mixture. Some brands of chocolate already have a sufficient amount of vanilla. If desired, add a few drops of vanilla extract to taste. If time allows, let it set to a pipeable consistency at room temperature, about 2 to 3 hours. To speed up this process, you can take the mixture and place it in the fridge. Just check on it every 15 to 20 minutes and use it right away once it's ready. If you want the recipe for the gingerbread spice macaron shells as well, head over to my blog. I'll leave the link below. Thanks so much for watching.